Better hope I have bolts big enough for this. Otherwise, I won't have a problem. Ooh, that's loud. I think we need some juice for that one. Use the vintage oil can. Oil the bit. What do you know? Oil does work. Yeah, lube works. Hear that? This side now. We get some oil for this. Some oil. Do not forget the oil. I like buying these old oil cans. Pretty cool. A little juice in there. The only problem is I gotta put a magnet on those things. Keep falling over. Might just hot glue a magnet on the bottom. There we go. Before I'm done, I'll take the crud off of here. There we go. Believe it or not, this El Cheapo dustpan worked pretty good. It's got a few kinks in it, but you know what? Next frying pan is another dustpan. Now, I gotta move this back. Let me stop it here. Ta-da! There we go. All done. All done. Thanks for watching.